So we're going to be replacing the cable that's right behind this handle right here. If you were to pull it out and look right there, you're going to see something that's an awful funny shape. What you actually need to do is turn it clockwise so that the little splines will line up with the holes in this dash panel and it'll come unclipped. Before we do that though, if you were to look at this handle, pretty much right where my finger is, right there, you're going to see a little push tab, and then of course on the other side of the handle there's another one. You're just going to push right in on that tab, and then this handle will come off of this. Push in right there. There we go. So now you can see the two tabs. If you could press in on them both at the same time, it would probably be helpful, but you don't necessarily need to, because once you get one out, you can just kind of twist it and it pops off. Now I'm going to grab onto this, and I'm going to turn it clockwise and line up those pitons. There we are. And now this should, of course, push into the dash panel. The rest of it's going to be located right underneath the dash here. So now following that cable, what you're going to see is that it kind of comes up, it does a little loop, and then it comes back around to right here. It's pressed into two little pitons that are like that. We're going to pop it out, and then we'll grab the rest of the cable from right down here. This off of here. All right, we've got a little clip right up here. This is kind of just holding it so it can't move around too much on us. Just come right under here, pop that free, and then remove our cable. So we've got our new cable here. Once you've matched it up with the old one and you know you have the same length and same overall shape, it's time for the install. What we're going to do is we're going to make a nice little loop that looks a lot like this. We're going to put it inside and we're going to slide this so that it comes through the dash right there. Up like that. I'm going to go through that little clip, but of course if you don't feel like going through the clip now, you can just put it through after. Get this lined up, and then once it's through, we're just going to grab onto it and turn it. Just going to come right in like this. I'm going to give this a little turn counterclockwise, and you can see that I have it so it's in its locked position. This is aiming side to side, so now when I put the handle on there, it's going to work perfectly. We're going to make sure the line is going through twice on this clip right here, and then I'm going to lock it in. I'll push this, line that up, push it in so it latches in. Give it a nice tug, make sure it's completely secured. At this point, I'm going to take this, put it right up on there. Secured. Let's get the handle on there. Okay, let's give it a test. E-brakes on, E-brakes off. On, off. Awesome.